Hello! Welcome to Daily Flute Yoga. My name's Miho, and today we are going to start by opening up our sound because the sound is so important. Let's all play beautiful warm sound today. I would like for you to concentrate on exhaling what's no longer serving us and taking in all the positive energy that's surrounding us. Today, we are going to start with a short melody, which goes like this. Did you notice that I am taking really slow breath in as well? Playing the flute slowly is going to be so vital for calming our nervous system and starting a new day. So let's focus on slow breath in and out. So today we have a short melody we are going to play together. Then I will improvise the first 4 bars. And I would love for you to answer my phrase by improvising the next 4. And then we'll alternate for 6 times. Let's have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Now let's try the same song once more. And let's concentrate on this yummy, stretchy, sweet sound. So you're getting used to it. Let's try and see if you can play the first half of the 4-bar trade this time. So we'll play the melody together. You will do the first 4 and I would do the next 4. You would do the next 4, mi, so on. But if you prefer to keep playing the whole time and do a counter melody with mine, that would be wonderful too. We're going to not play anything complicated. We're going to keep it nice and simple so that we can really focus on exhaling while we are relaxing our muscles, keeping our energy positive, inhaling all the goodness around us. Let's have a go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yummy, gorgeous, stretchy feely. Great work, everyone. I hope you're feeling loads better and loads calmer. Thank you so much for joining me. If you would like to go through more of an improvisation exercise, please check out the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I hope to see you next time.